Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/@affordableproductsmarket 7075. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best surf fishing reels with buying guides and reviews. Welcome to the world of the best surf fishing reel where the chase for the ideal reel is just as exciting as the actual catch. Selecting the best surf fishing reel is essential for fishermen who want to confront the obstacles of surf casting successfully. Here is a hand-picked list of the 10 best surf fishing reels, all of which has been painstakingly made to satisfy even the pickiest anglers. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@affordableproductsmarket 7075. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Okuma Reel Surf 8K Spinning 5BB plus 1 RB 4.71 multicolor 1 size. Features robust design for enduring functionality with 5 stainless steel ball bearing operation is smooth adaptable gear ratio ideal for a range of fishing methods. A chic multicolor design enhances the visual attractiveness. Angler of various ability level are accommodated by universal sizing. Number 2. Okuma Reel Rockaway Surf 4BB plus 1 RB 5.31 multi. Features reduce friction and increase efficiency on the water. Provide the ideal mix of power and speed, enabling fishermen to tackle a variety of surf fishing approach with accuracy and ease. Resistance to corrosion, multicolor design, smooth operation. Number 3. Okuma Rockaway Graphic Body Surf Spinning Reel. Features a robust yet lightweight graphic body structure, easy to use operation for throwing and retrieving, adaptable gear ratio ideal for a range of surf fishing methods, long casting distance to access of fishing locations, anti-reverse technology. Number 4. Okuma Flight Surf Carbon Fiber Body 10BB Lightweight Saltwater Surf Spinning Reel FLS 351 to 1 2008. Features 10 ball bearing, provides smooth casting and retrieval options, outstanding resistance to seawater, grunting longevity in coastal setting, ample spool capacity to handle substantial fish species and lengthy casts. Body is made of lightweight carbon fiber to maximize fatigue. Number 5. Daiwa Spinning Reel Toss Long Cast 15 Power Surf QD 2015 model. Features strong gearing system and smooth retrieval, cutting edge casting technology for unmatched precision and range, robust gearbox designed to handle big saltwater species. The quick drag system make quick modification possible during fierce battles. Number 6. Shimano Active Cast 1100 Distant Ultra Cast Surf Moulinet D pitch. Features unmatched casting distance is possible with ultra cast technology, smooth retrieval thanks to a precision gear system and premium ball bearing. Longevity is ensured by solid construction and material that resist corrosion. Versatile performance. Number 7. Shimano Inc. ULTEGRA 14444 CY4 CI4 XTC Surf Spin Box. Features X Protection. X Protect technology offers superior corrosion and water resistance. The long cast concept improves casting distance to reach far off surf zones. A smooth drag system provides accurate control in files, fish flight. Ample line capacity is ideal for pursuing big surf species. See I4 plus construction. Number 8 Diva spinning reel toss long cast 18 power surf double SQD 2018 model features the super slow oscillations technology guarantees an ideal line lay for longer cast. Drag change are quick and accurate using the quick drag system. Durability is ensured by robust construction and material that resist corrosion. Comfortable handling. Number 9 Okuma Area Corrosion Resistance Multi-Disc Drag All-Purpose Spinning Wheel features a multi-disc drag system offer dependable and smooth drag of performance and adaptable design ideal for a range of fishing situation and method. Long-lasting performance and resistance to heavy use are attribute of durable construction. Durability is ensured by material and coating. Number 10 CNC machined full metal powerful spinning fishing reel 20 kg 30 kg drag long cast salt water features complete metal construction with CNC machining for optimal strength and longevity a robust design a robust drag system provides enough stopping power for large game fish. It is appropriate for offshore board fishing and surf fishing due to its long casting performance, adaptable size options. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose the good one according to your need and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.affordableproductsmarket.com/surfishing reels slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.affordableproductmarket.com/surfishing reels slash. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.